Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute beach day Pusheen. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the coconut drink. Let's draw a curve over here on the bottom left for the top of the umbrella. And then let's draw 3 curves underneath to close off the bottom. Now top and side, and let's draw 2 curves going down. And then lastly, an angled line down underneath. Now underneath the umbrella, let's add Pusheen's hand. Let's draw a curve down to the right and curve it back up. And then next to the hand here, let's add the straw. Let's start with 2 diagonal lines. Then from the top, let's angle it up and over. And then a curve at the end. Now let's add the coconut underneath. From both sides, let's draw a curve out and in. And then connect them at the bottom with a wavy line. Now underneath, let's draw the shape of the coconut with a large curve. Now top and side, and let's add another wavy line along the top. And then 2 curves on the bottom left. And that's it for the coconut drink. Now let's add Pusheen on top. Let's start on top of the umbrella, and let's draw a curve going up. Then let's curve it back down for the first ear. Now let's draw the top of the head with another curve up on an angle. And then another ear next to it like this. Now let's continue drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a curve over to the right, and then curve it down. Now let's leave a small gap, hop over to the left, and let's draw a curve down and over, stopping here. Then a curve underneath for the first foot. And then a curve over to the coconut for the bottom of the body. Now on the right side, let's close off the body by adding the tail. Let's continue the line by curving it down. Then let's curve it back up at the end. Then let's add some striped lines inside. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start inside, underneath the top of the head, and let's draw a line down, and then curve it back up. And the same thing on both sides. Now top underneath, and let's draw 2 curves down and out for the mouth on an angle. And then 2 circles for the eyes. And color them both in black. Now on the right here, let's draw 2 curves for the whiskers. And then hop over and let's draw 2 on the left side of the head. And that's it for the face. Now top down and let's draw a small U-shaped curve for the hand. And now let's draw the sunglasses underneath. Let's leave a gap and let's draw an angled line down. Then let's add a curve behind the hand. And then another one at the bottom. And now let's color them both in black. Next, let's add 2 curves along the top. Lastly, for Pusheen, on the right side here, let's draw one more curve for the other foot. And that's it for Pusheen. Now let's move out and let's draw the beach blanket. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a line out. And then the same thing on the right side at the same level. Now from both ends, let's angle it down and out. And then close off the bottom with a line across. Now on both sides of the blanket, let's draw some lines going outwards. And that's it for the blanket. Lastly, let's hop up and let's draw the sun. On the top left, let's draw a circle. And then let's draw some diagonal lines going out all the way around. And that's it for Beach Day Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!